In this painting, I explore the sacred geometry of the moon, its phases, its power, its wisdom. Each curve, each arc represents a different stage in the lunar cycle, from darkness to light and back again. I begin with a compass and ruler, building the framework of circles and symmetry. Then I add life, with soft watercolor tones, hints of metallic shimmer, and deep intention. The moon reminds us to trust the flow, to rest when it's dark, to shine when it's full. This is not just a visual journey, it's a mirror to your inner tides. What phase are you in today? Let this geometry hold space for your intuition, your cycles, your truth. If this resonates with you, subscribe, and join me each week for sacred art and stillness. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you for being here with me.